Hi guys, today we'll be talking about Voltas Limited. So this is a company which is under the Tata Group, and we'll be talking about this company and seeing what are the investment perspectives in the stock. So 1 year ago we made a video on Voltas Limited. In 2018 the stock price of the company was trading approximately at 600 rupees per share, and now the stock price has grown up by approximately 10%, and now the stock is around 680 rupees approximately. If you see overall the growth rate in the company at that time when we made a video from 2014 to 2018, when we were comparing and seeing how the stock price was going up, at that time the growth in the earning per share was coming out to be approximately 24-25%. But now in 2015 to 19, if you see, the growth rate in the stock is just coming out to be around 10% in the profits and the earning per shares. If you see the sales growth in the company from 2015 to 2019 has been around 8% on a yearly basis. And if you talk about the profitability, the company is usually maintaining a profit margin of around 9 to 10% in the stock. If you see the earning per share and the profitability growth rate, now the new earning per share and profitability growth rate is coming out to be 10% on a yearly basis. In 2015, the profits of the company were 386 crores, whereas in 2019, which have grown to 565 crores approximately. The earning per share, you can see on the screen that from 2015 to 19, the earning per share has increased from 11.67 to 17.10. Obviously, it has decreased from 2018 to 19 a little bit, though the sales have been uptight and growing. The only thing is that the profits have reduced. So that is one thing, because the company might have been doing some investments in the marketing and expanding. That is the reason why the profits might have fallen down a little bit. If you try to extrapolate the earning per shares and try to find out the 2024 after 5 years what earning per share we can expect from the stock, the numbers will be coming out to be 27.57 is the new earning per share of 2024 future expected earning per share of the stock. The price band in which usually the stock moves is somewhere between 325 and 640 rupees to 690 rupees. The PE between which usually the stock trades is 27.59 and 39 approximately. So if you want to calculate the future expected price of the stock, you will simply have to multiply the future expected earning per share by the lowest and the highest PE to find out the range between which we can expect the stock to trade after the 5 years. So if you calculate that, simply we can see that we are expecting that the stock to trade somewhere between 760 rupees and 1031 rupees over the next 5 years. That will deliver us a return of 2 to 9% over the next 5 years. Return on net worth and capital employed numbers are pretty healthy in the stock, though they have increased from 2018 to 19. That's a wonderful thing. And if you talk about the operating, financing and investing cash flows, they are also managed pretty decently. Auditors of the company are SRBC Company LLP. CEO of the company is Pradeep Bakshi, and chairman is Noel N. Tata. The nearest support of the stock stands at around 507 rupees and the resistance at 705 rupees. Mutual fund and institutional stocks holdings are pretty high in the company at around 50%, and the dividend yield in the company is around 0.6%. The company is virtually debt-free and has an excellent asset base of around 1900 crores of the fixed assets. Book value in the stock stands at 125 rupees per share. So that is what I wanted to explain about Voltas. If you find it a good investment for jumping, then you can jump into the stock. And that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Further, you can even follow us on Instagram. Our handle name is FinLife. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Signing off, Siddhant Goel from FinLife.